So those who have joined late, for them let me revise. Linear equation means a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. If you see the power of x 1, power of y 1, power of x 1, power of y 1, so both are linear equations where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 all are constant. Constant means numbers. Now how to solve this? First method is elimination by substitution method. Eliminate and substitute. So we write step 1. How we solve this? Step 1 is eliminate. Step 1 is eliminate either x. Eliminate either x or y from equation 1. From equation 1, eliminate x or y. Anyone. Then step 2. Step 2 is substitute the eliminated value of x or y. Substitute the eliminated values of x or y, anyone, in equation 2. In equation 2 and simplify. In equation 2 and simplify. Simplify to get the values of x and y. To get the values of x and y. That's all. To get the values of x and y. So elimination by substitution means eliminate. First you eliminate, then you substitute. First we eliminate x or y from equation 1. We eliminate x or y, anyone, from equation 1. Then that eliminated value of x or y we substitute in equation 2. So from 1 eliminate, in equation 2 you will substitute and simplify. Let us see exercise 6a based on this. Elimination by substitution method means either you have to eliminate x or y from equation 1 and then that eliminated value of x or y you have to substitute in equation 2 and simplify to get the values of x and y. So elimination by substitution, two things you have to do. First you have to eliminate x or y from equation 1, then equation 2 you have to substitute. Then exercise 6a. See, all are same type of problems, so 1, 2, 3 I will do. Some few problems I will do, remaining I will give homework. Now first it is 8x plus 5y. 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. This is my equation number 1. Then 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. This is my equation 2. We have to solve this. So what I have given step 1. Eliminate either x or y from equation 1. So let us eliminate x or y, anyone. Let us eliminate x or y from equation 1. Equation 1 we are given 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. Let us eliminate y. So 5y is equal to 9 minus 8x. When you change the side, sign changes. Plus 8x will become minus 8x. Then y will be 9 minus 8x upon 5. So we have eliminated y. What is y? 9 minus 8x upon 5. Now this value of y I will substitute in equation 2. So substitute y is equal to 9 minus 8x by 5 in equation 2. So substitute this value of y in equation 2 and simplify. Substitute this value of y in equation 2 and simplify. So elimination by substitution method means first we have to eliminate either x or y from equation 1 and that eliminated value of x or y we have to substitute in equation 2 to get the value of x and y. Yes, write on this. Okay, you have to write on. Substitute the value of Ninth B 18 is present. Yes. Do not worry. Whoever has joined, I mark present. Okay. So let us, in place of y, I mark present. So equation 2 you will substitute y as 9 minus 8x by 5. So equation 2. Equation 2 implies, let us put the value of y as 9 minus 8x by 5. So that becomes 3x plus 2 into y. Y is 9 minus 8x upon 5 is equal to 4. In place of y, I will replace y by this value. So let us solve this. So 3x plus, open the bracket, 2 9s are 18 minus 16x divided by 5 is equal to 4. Now I have to simplify this. So I have to take LCM. LCM of the denominator. Denominator I will take 1. How 15x? 9th roll number 16 is present. Yes. Not 15x, my dear. How 15? LCM of 5 and 1 will be LCM of 1 and 5, no? Yes. LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. So now make denominator equal. So 3 5s are 15, 3x into 5 upon 1 into 5 plus 18 minus 16x upon 5 is equal to 4. Okay. So let us, this is 15x upon 5 plus 18 minus 6x upon 5 is equal to 4. Okay. So now denominators are same, you can take common 5. So 15x plus 18 minus 6x is equal to 4. This 4 I can write 4 upon 1. This 4 I can write 4 upon 1. Yes. Let me explain. So 15x minus 6x. You can simplify, no? 15x minus 6x, 9x. 9x plus 18 upon 5 is equal to 4 upon 1. So whenever you have equality of two rational parts, rational means numerator upon, or equality of two fractions, then we cross multiply. Whenever you have equality of two fractions, fraction means, where it is 16x. 1 minute. 18 minus 16x. Yes, in the question it is 16x. 16x. Okay. In the question. So 15x minus 16x, no? 15x minus 16x, 18 minus x. 18 minus x upon 5. My dear, 15x minus 16x will be minus x. Okay? You can write it. Now cross multiply. So 18x minus 1 into 1 is equal to 5 into 4. So 18x minus 1 will be 18 minus x is equal to 5 4 is 20. Take x on this side. Take x on the right hand side, 20 on this side. So 18 minus 20 is equal to 18 minus 20. This is minus x on left hand side. So you take it on the right hand side. 18 minus 20 is equal to x. 18 minus 20 is minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to x. So x value is minus 2. Now put x is equal to minus 2 in equation 1. Put x is equal to minus 2 in equation 1 again. Yes, no problem. You can put in equation 2, equation 1. Equation 1 put x is equal to minus 2. So that is 8 into minus 2. 8 into minus 2 plus 5y is equal to 9. 5y is equal to 9. Simplify. Minus 16 plus 5y is equal to 9. Now take minus 16 on that side. 5y is equal to 9 plus 16. 5y is equal to 25. So y is equal to 25 by 5. So you will get y is equal to 5. So finally you will write the answer, x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 5. Yes, directly you can write. I have shown you each and every step, assuming that you don't know anything. But if you know everything, then you can directly, how much step you can reduce, that much step you can reduce. Okay? I have taught in such a way that even if somebody don't know anything, he should be able to understand. So answer we write, answer is x is equal to -2 and y is equal to +5. So this is elimination by substitution method. We eliminate from equation 1, then we substitute in equation 2. Now second 2x minus 3y is equal to 7 and 5x plus y is equal to 9. 5x plus y is equal to 9. Homework. Okay? Homework. Then third, same way. Third, 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. And 2x is equal to 2 plus 2x is equal to 2 plus 3y. Does not matter. This is my equation 1 homework. Okay? Then fourth 0.2x. Hi, no problem. Even if you keep there only, no problem. Otherwise, you take 3y on the other side and write equation 2. Yes, anyone. You can eliminate from equation 2, substitute in equation 1. Or you can eliminate from equation 1, substitute in equation 2, whichever way you want. So 0.2x plus 0.1y, 0.1y is equal to 25. Is equal to 25. Okay. Then 2 into x minus 2, 2 into x minus 2 minus 1.6y is equal to 116. Okay. So before we start this, immediately don't solve this. Remove the decimal part. You have to remove the decimal part. Okay. You remove the decimal part, rewrite and get equation. What happened? Remove the decimal part. So first it is 0.2x plus 0.1y is equal to 25, correct? So now after decimal, how many digits are there? 1 digit. So this will become 2x upon 10. Now 2x upon 10, not multiplied by 10, my dear. Whenever you want to remove the decimal, you have to divide in the denominator. Okay? So after decimal there is 1 digit. After the decimal there is 1 digit, no? So this I can write 2x upon 10. Again after decimal 1 digit. Yes, no problem. You can multiply both sides by 10. This I can write 1y, y upon 10 is equal to 25. I have removed the decimal. So after decimal 1 digit, divide by 10. So denominator same 10. So this I can write 2x plus y upon 10 is equal to 25. 25 I can write 21, 5 upon 1. Now cross multiply. So you will get 2x plus y is equal to 250. One and the same you will get. This is my equation number 1. Okay. Similarly, get equation number 2. 2 into x minus 2 minus 1.6y is equal to 116. So this I can write 2x minus 4 minus, now remove the decimal. This I can write 16y upon 10 is equal to 116. Okay. So now make denominator equal. Their denominator it is 1. So multiply by 10. So 2x minus 4 into 10 upon 1 into 10 minus 16y upon 10 is equal to 116. So 2x minus 4 into 10, that will be 20x minus 40, 20x minus 40 upon 10 minus 16y upon 10 is equal to 116. So denominator is same 10. So 20x minus 40 minus 16y is equal to 116. So 20x minus 40 minus 16y is equal to 10 will get multiplied 1160, correct? So 20x minus 16y is equal to 1160 plus 40 no. So 20x minus 16y is equal to 1200, correct? Can you cancel them by any number? 20, 16 and 1200. You can cancel them by 4, no? 4. So 20x upon 4, you can cancel them by 4. Minus 16y upon 4 is equal to 1200 upon 4. So this you can write 5x minus 4y is equal to 300. This is my equation number 2. Now solve equation 1 and 2. First eliminate x or y from equation 1. Substitute that in equation 2. Okay. So equation 1 and equation 2 you have. So further part I am giving homework solve. Okay, you can do it easily. Equation 1 and equation 2 you have. So whenever you have decimal, remove the decimal. Whenever you have decimal, remove the decimal. Okay. Whenever you have decimal, remove that decimal part. By, if you have decimal in the numerator, divide in the denominator to remove the decimal. Then fifth one, 6x. Fifth one, 6x is equal to 7y plus 7. 6x is equal to 7y plus 7. And 7y minus x. 7y minus x is equal to 8. This will be homework. Then sixth one, y is equal to 4x minus 7. Y is equal to 4x minus 7. And 16x minus 5y. 16x minus 5y is equal to 25. This will be homework. Okay. All are easy. Eliminate x or y from equation 1. Eliminate x or y from equation 1. Substitute that in equation 2. Then seventh one. 2x plus 7y is equal to 39. 2x plus 7y is equal to 39. And 3x plus 5y is equal to 31. 3x plus 5y is equal to 31. Same way homework. Then 8th, 1.5x, 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 1.5x plus 0.1y plus 0.1y is equal to 6.2. So divide each by 10. Divide each by 10, you will remove the decimal. Then 3x minus, yes, you can multiply both sides by 10. 0.4y is equal to 11.2. So remove the decimal. Okay, homework. Great one. So all are similar because once you understand the method, you can solve 1000 problems of same type. So without wasting the time, because once you learn the method, you can solve 1 to infinity number of problems of same type. Then ninth, 2 into x minus 3, 2 into x minus 3 plus 3 into y minus 5, 3 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. And 5 into x minus 1, 5 into x minus 1 plus 4 into y minus 4, 4 into y minus 4 is equal to 0. What you will do, you will open the bracket and simplify. Yes, Open the bracket and simplify. 2 into x, 2x minus 6 plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Then simplify. Then 10, 2x plus 1 by 7, 2x plus 1 by 7 plus 5y minus 3 by 3, 5y minus 3 by 3, 5y minus 3 by 3, 5y minus 3 by 3. 5y minus 3 by 3 is equal to 12. And 3x plus 2 by 2, 3x plus 2 by 2, 3x plus 2 by 2 minus 4y, this is the bracket, 4y plus 3, 4y plus 3 upon 9 is equal to 13. So let me solve this here. So 2x plus 1 by 7 plus 5y minus 3 upon 3 is equal to 12. Okay, so you remember this part. Whenever you have this type of equation, you remember a upon b plus c upon d. How we simplify? We cross multiply these two. We cross multiply these two, then cross multiply denominator also. That will be a into d plus b into c, cross multiply upon multiply denominator, that is b into d. Let me follow this method. Cross multiply, that will be 3 into 2x plus 1, 3 into 2x plus 1 plus 7 into 5y minus 3 into 2x plus 1. Okay. So cross multiply these two. Cross multiply these two, cross multiply these two, then multiply denominator. So 3 into 2x plus 1 plus 7 into 5y minus 3 upon 3 into 7, that is 21, is equal to 12. Let us simplify. 6x plus 3 plus 35y minus 21 upon 21 is equal to 12. So this 21 will get multiplied in the to 12. 12 means 12 upon 1, cross multiply. So you will get 6x plus 3 plus 35 minus 21 is equal to 12 into 21. Wait, so 6x plus 35y plus 3 minus 21 minus 18 is equal to 12 into 21. 12 ones are 12, 252. Okay, so 6x plus 35y is equal to 252 plus 18. So 6x plus 35y is equal to 270, correct? 270, and this is my equation number 1. Similarly, you simplify second, get equation number 2. Similarly, you will simplify second and get equation number 2. Similarly, you will simplify. So remember, a upon b plus c upon d, you cross multiply, then multiply denominators also. So 2x plus 1 upon 7. 2x plus 1 upon 7. 3x plus 2 by 2. 3x plus 2 by 2. 3x plus 2 by 2 minus 4y plus 3 by 9 is equal to 13. So cross multiply this. Cross multiply, you will get 9 into 3x plus 2, 9 into 3x plus 2 minus 2 into 4y plus 3 upon 2 into 9, 18 is equal to 13. 13 I can write 13 upon 1. 9 3s are 27x plus 18 minus 8y minus 6. Open the bracket. Minus into plus will be minus. Upon 18 is equal to 13 by 1. So 27x minus 8y 18 minus 6 is 12 plus 12 is equal to 13 into 18. So 27x minus 18 minus 8y plus 12 is equal to 13 into 18, 234. So 27x minus 8y is equal to 234 minus 12 plus 12 will become minus 12. So 27x minus 8y is equal to 4 minus 2, 222. 222. This is my equation number 2. This is my equation number 2. Now solve 1 and 2 by elimination by substitution. So we write equation 1 and 2 together after this. Now we write equation 1 and 2 together and then we solve. So equation 1 is 6x plus 35y. 6x plus 35y is equal to 270. Equation 1. Then 27x minus 8y is equal to 222 is my equation number 2. Now solve 1 and 2 by elimination. First you eliminate x or y from equation 1. Okay. Then that eliminated value of x or y you will substitute in equation 2. So further calculation I am giving homework. Then 11th 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. Homework is 0. Okay. Then 12 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y minus 18 is equal to 0. So homework, easy one. Okay. Yes. You can eliminate anyone. Equation 1 or equation 2. You can eliminate anyone. Okay. So 13 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 plus 2 equal to 0. So you will solve this, cross multiply. You can take this equal to minus 2 and x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 2 is to 1 by 6. What you will write 2 is to 1 by 6? Mixed fraction. 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13 by 6. Okay. This also homework. You want me to solve 13? Yes. Tell me 13. Easy one. Yes. So now 14 x by 6 x by 6 plus y by 15 x by 6 plus y by 15 is equal to 4. Another is x by 3 minus y by 12 is equal to 4 is to 3 by 4. Let me solve this. So first one, it is x by 6 plus y by 15 is equal to 4. Now cross multiply. 15x plus 6 into y, 6y upon 6 into 15, 19. Is it? It is showing clear. Yes. Okay. Sometimes it happens. No problem. So cross multiply. 15 into x plus 6 into y upon 6 into 15 is equal to 4. So 15x plus 6y is equal to 90 into 4, 360. 90 into 4, 360. You can cancel them by 3, no? Yes or no? You can cancel them by 3, my dear. You can reduce this. 15, 6 and 360. You can cancel them by 3. So you will get 5x plus 2y is equal to 120, and this is my equation number 1. 5x plus 2y is equal to 120. Similarly, you will solve second. Simplify second and get equation 2. 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 So second is x by 3 minus y by 12. X by 3 minus y by 12 is equal to 4 is to 4 4 the 16, 16 plus 3 19 by 4. Okay. So cross multiply 12x minus 3y upon 36 is equal to 19 by 4. So 12x minus 3y is equal to 19 by 4. This 36 will get multiplied on the other side into 36. 4 9s are 36. So 12x minus 3y is equal to 171. 171, and this is my equation number 2. So now after this you will write equation 1 and 2 together. So 5x plus 2y is equal to 120, equation number 1, and 12x minus 3y is equal to 171, equation number 2. Solve it further. Chalo, solve it. 3 minutes are there, you can get the answer. Eliminate x or y from equation 1, substitute that in equation 2. Tell me the answer. All of you solve this and tell me the answer. Solve this and tell me the answer. Solve this. 5x plus 2y is equal to 120. You can eliminate x or y anyone. You can eliminate x or y anyone. So 5x plus 2y is 120. 5x plus 2y is 120. 5x plus 2y is 120. Okay. So you can write 2y is equal to 120 minus 5x. So y is equal to 120 minus 5x. 120 minus 5x whole divided by 2. This is the value of y. This is the value of y. So y is equal to 120 minus 5x. Huh. 120 minus 5x by 2. Don't divide because 5 is not divisible, no. 5 is not divisible by 2. So you leave it. Now this value I will substitute in equation 2. This value I will substitute in equation 2. So 12x minus 3 into y. Y is 120 minus 5x by 2 is equal to 171. No problem, no problem. So 12x minus, let us simplify. 120 into 3, 360. Minus 3 into 5, 15x. Whole divided by 2 is equal to 170. So cross multiply. So 2 into 12, 24x. Minus 360. Minus 15x. Whole divided by 2 is equal to 170. So 24x minus 360, 24x minus 360. My dear, this 2 will get multiplied there, no? This 2 will get multiplied, no? 1 is there. So 2 into this. 24x minus 360 plus 15x. Minus minus plus. 15x upon 2 is equal to 170. So 24x plus 15x, 39x minus 360 is equal to 117 into 2. 2 will get multiplied. So 39x minus 360 is equal to 234. So 39x is equal to 234 plus 360. So 39x is equal to, yes, 4, 9, 594. Huh. 170. Where it is? 171. 171 into 2. 171, 2, 342. 342 plus 360. So 2, 702. Okay. So x is equal to 702 upon 39. Now 18 actually. Okay, 39 18s are 702. So x is 18. X is 18. Now put this value in equation 1. So put x is equal to 18 in equation 1. 15, yes. In equation 1 you put this. Equation 1. What was equation 1? What was equation 1? When you will put x is equal to 18 in equation 1, you will get y is equal to 50. So answer will be x is 18 and y is 50. So first, no problem. Does not matter. So we have learned elimination by substitution. 2 steps you have to follow. First you have to eliminate x or y from equation 1. Then that eliminated value of x or y you have to substitute in equation 2 and simplify to get x and y. Okay, so this complete elimination by substitution. Tomorrow we will see another second method, that is equating coefficient method. Yes, we will see. Now we stop here. Bye.